All right, we got this really nice 30 set toothbrush and cover travel kit with toothpaste as well. This is just a few of them. I got total of 30, so I got way more over here. That there's just never ending supply basically. So let's go ahead and use one. Got this nice little vibe at the top right here. Let's go ahead and let's open this. So you, in case you didn't see, it's shut there. Unzip it with the Ziploc vibe. And from here, we can take the toothpaste right here and the toothbrush out. So let's go to the toothbrush first. The nice cover right here. Now let's see how to get this open. You just pull it open. Nice cover to want to keep your toothbrush nice and protected, keep it nice and clean because it's going to be in the bathroom. You want to keep it clean. So we got the cover right here. Nice fine bristles, as you can see. Nice grip as well. Yeah, really nice grip. Great for traveling for sure. But on top of just traveling, as I do, this is a nice toothbrush and toothpaste with the cover. Here's the toothpaste. As you can see, this is going to be enough to last you for. I mean, honestly, this is for me. This is quite a bit of toothpaste. I mean, this is going to last for a long time. So if you're just going to be traveling for like a week or more, this is probably going to cover. This is going to cover you the whole time you're gone. So just great. 30-piece set. Highly recommend.